How to add a college on your profile Facebook. Hello guys, how it's going today? I will show you how to do this. Just make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First, you will just go to your Facebook and open it. And after this, when your Facebook is opening, you will just go here to this three line, click on it, and then go to settings. And after this, you will go down to profile information, and you go to education and go to add college, click, and right now add like college name here, for example New York for example. And here you will choose if you graduated before or what. Yes, I do. And you will write the date that you engaged this college and when you graduated. And here you will write your concentration, and here you will choose if you want to share it with the public or your friend or just you who can see where you where you study and what's the name of your college. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next.